Now for our demo. We're going to use this honing steel to true the edge on this Premier Plus 12-inch chef knife. I'm going to show you the way that I've learned to do this. The most important part is that you have to have a consistent angle that matches the cut on the bevel. The cut on this bevel is at 15 degrees on each side. So to find our angle, we're going to start here. 90 degrees, half, 45 degrees, have it again to 22 degrees, and just a little lower should bring us to about 50. Now that we have the angle, I'm going to pretend to cut a little sliver right off the metal. You should hear this distinct ring, almost like the knife is singing. You hear that? It's very important we keep that angle consistent throughout. Then we're going to switch and repeat on the other side. Now there are a few caveats that apply when you're working with a larger 12-inch chef knife. Normally you put a little bit of pressure on the knife as you're honing the steel, but with a 12-inch knife, it's a lot heavier. So you really want to let the weight of the knife do all the work. I'm not pressing down on this knife at all as I press along the steel. I'm letting its own weight do everything. Keep in mind, the edge is very, very thin. If you press down on it too hard, you'll fold it over on the other side. And you can easily check whether we have this right. I like to run my fingernail down, right along the edge, and I'm trying to see if it catches on it. I'm going to repeat on this side. And it's not catching, so I think we have it right. Now to test out our edge, let's see how we can feather this paper. Look at that. And I always want to make sure I check several points along this blade. You can see we are sharp. Right across the paper. And one more for good measure. Look at that. Slices right through.